In Unit 5, Lesson 7, using negative exponents, we did a little warm-up problem for 7.1, which kind of wants you to revisit your exponent rules. It wants you to rewrite each of the following as an equivalent expression, that just means equals the same, but with a single exponent. So right now I've got this multiplication going on between two numbers with two exponents. I just want to rewrite it into an equivalent form with one exponent. So because we're multiplying, we want to go back to our rules. When you're multiplying the same base, right, the base for both of these is 2. When you're multiplying the same base, you're just adding the exponents. You're not multiplying the bases, you're just adding the exponents. So this is going to be the same as 2 raised to the 4 plus 0, which is the same as 2 to the 4th. And all of this is multiplication, and they all have the same base. So we want to just focus on adding the exponent, not multiplying the bases. So this is going to be 2 to the 4 plus negative 1. When you're adding two numbers and they're opposite signs, it's actually a subtraction. So this is going to be 2 to the 3rd power. And then on this one, we're going to do 2 to the 4 plus negative 3, really a subtraction problem. And that's going to give me 2 to the 1st. Or if you wanted to, I guess you could just write it like that, but they do want you to write it with a single exponent. So they still really wanted to keep the exponent in the answer. And then last but not least, this would be 2 to the 4 plus negative 4, which I know in your head you're saying that cancels out. That does give me a 0. So you could write it like this, or hopefully you guys remember that any number to the 0 power, except for 0, is always going to equal 1. So that is also an equivalent number to that expression.